What's the logic behind this sting stunt? That's the question we are asking our panelists this evening. Aman Sinha of the BJP, good evening. Yogendra Yadav, cephalogist, member, National Executive of the Aam Aadmi Party. Thanks for joining us. Sabah Naqvi, very good evening to you, political editor of The Outlook, and Rashmi Kant, spokesperson of the Congress. Be rest assured, Mr. Kant, we will allow the Congress a word in this time around. And I'm sure there is a strong point of view that the Congress would want to keep. But first, the question is to Mr. Yogendra Yadav. What is the worry within the Aam Aadmi Party?
The worry is very simple, not the Aam Aadmi Party, it's an Aam Aadmi worry. I'm surprised that we are focusing on sting and stunt. I thought this is the one day you would pose the question to the BJP first. The anxiety, the worry for any Democrat, forget Aam Aadmi Party, forget our supporters, for any Democrat which has seen how our democracy has evolved, which remembers the days of horse trading in the 80s and 90s,
Mr. Yogendra Yadav,
then took some relief and said, all right, finally we had anti-defection bill in the country.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
What we see today
with all
is
due
actually
respect,
reversal of that.
No, with all due respect, why shouldn't we tell the people of Delhi also just come back and not go back so far back in the past and just go to the recent past and see what the Aam Aadmi Party did? They were not the single largest party. They did not have a clear mandate. Yet they tried everything possible to try and get to power. And what did they do? So why should there be any credence to what the Aam Aadmi Party says?
Sorry, can we focus on the government?
And the second question, sir, just because some MLAs within the Aam Aadmi Party might be disgruntled with what's happening within the party, and they decide that they want to switch sides. So are you trying to say that they are indulging in horse trading and they are wrong to do that? And everything that the Aam Aadmi Party does is right, but what the BJP or the Congress does is wrong? When the Aam Aadmi Party, the party that it badgered, that it said was not worthy of forming the government and accused it of misrule, when the Aam Aadmi Party can shake hands with a party like the Congress, which it derided right through the run-up of the Delhi polls, and go and form the government in Delhi, that is ethical. Those are my questions, sir.
I happen to have a very strong view on the substance of... Yeah, can I now respond?
Yes, sir.
If you have any more questions, you can shoot it first.
No, Mr. Yadav, go ahead, please.
All right. I understand that you happen to have very strong opinions about Aam Aadmi Party and, whether our government was good or bad. But today happens to be a day when that is not what we are discussing. We are discussing ethics of government formation, of constitutionality. Aam Aadmi Party never said that the Lieutenant Governor should invite us without letters of support. Do remember that the LG actually asked us and the Congress MLAs at that time for written letters of support, and only after that we were invited. We never said, don't look for letters, somehow allow us to form the government. We never said that. And we are only repeating that basic constitutional convention which has been established by K.R. Narayanan after the anti-defection law and so on.
Well,
which
the interesting part there,
that president, governors, lieutenant governors do not form an opinion of their own.
The governor has not really called any party yet time and again, almost every second week, Aam Aadmi Party comes out with this claim and creates a huge ruckus about it. But before I come to you again, Aman Sinha, I want to bring you in here. Horse trading or not, what do you think of what the Aam Aadmi is alleging today? Are you going to target their MLAs to really get your numbers together?
No, first of all, let me say that what Mr. Yogendra Yadav is saying, it clearly shows that he is totally oblivious to the legal and constitutional position. In fact, Constitution enjoins upon the Lieutenant Governor to make all possible efforts for formation of a popular government in any state. I'm sorry there is some echo, so I'm not able to hear what you're saying very clearly. And not only that, it has been upheld by Supreme Court in a series of judgments, and the Constitution Bench of Supreme Court as early as 2006 in case of Rameshwar Prasad versus Union of India, clearly held that Lieutenant Governor or Governor has to make all possible efforts for formation of government, and only after making all possible efforts can he go on to dissolve the assembly or can even consider that.
Coming back to my my original question. I know the lawyer in you would want to come up with more legal points, but is the BJP going to target the MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party, or are their fears unfounded right now?
No, absolutely not. We are not targeting anyone. In fact, from day one, our stand has been clear and we have been consistent that, we'll take a view only when Lieutenant Governor invites us. At this point in time, there is no invitation and therefore there is no such proposal in front of us. When Lieutenant Governor invites us, if and when, then bearing in mind the political circumstances prevailing at that point in time, the highest decision-making body of our party, which is the Parliamentary Board, will take a structured view and we'll share it with everyone.
Right.
But, it is very unfortunate the way Aam Aadmi Party has been targeting, and no, please let me just complete.
Yeah.
The constitution clearly enjoins upon governor to make all possible efforts for government formation, and LG is well within his rights. Not only within his rights, it is his constitutional duty to see that, some government is there in place. And now, my friend, from Aam Aadmi Party, they want to coerce and pressurize LG into doing something which is absolutely illegal and against the law of the land. And they are terming this as, rape of constitution and murder of constitution. It is absolutely shameful and absolutely unfortunate, this kind of discourse which is going on in politics.
He has got a point to make, so we'll go across to Yogendra Yadav, Sabah Naqvi and Mr. Rashmikant. Appreciate your patience. Just wait on a bit. Yes, Mr. Yadav.
It is very much the duty of the Lieutenant Governor to try and form government. Perfect. If he says, I want 34 letters of support, and if he actually gets it in favor of any party, even if that decision goes against us, that's perfect. All we are saying is that here is a party which had 32 members, and it declared that it will not form government, and in the same breath said it will not get into horse trading. Clearly the only way to form government at that point. Now the party has 29 MLAs. The party changes its stance.
That is your presumption.
To say we will consider it invited. All right, that's party's presumption. Will you allow me to speak, sir? Now that they have 29 MLAs,
please don't make
the party says we will consider.
Statements.
That's all right. And why is he so worried?
No, Mr. Yadav.
Your numbers go down. Your numbers go down, and you change.
I'm worried that you are making.
Mr. Yadav, here's the thing.
Constitutionally, illegal statements and factually incorrect statements.
Right. Aman Sinha, just hold on.
Can I request the anchors to please allow me to speak? Otherwise, if you don't want to share,
that was Mr. Aman Sinha interjecting.
Please allow me to speak.
If this kind of terminology you are using.
No, Mr. Aman Sinha, just hold on.
You please speak, but don't make such provoking remarks. You go on to say that there is some rape of constitution, murder of constitution, and then on air you make such provoking remarks, and you want other people to just listen silently?
Sir, as you said, your audio may have problem and you are not able to listen. I have not made any provocative remarks so far. The words that you have used are the words you have used, not me. And I'm only saying, such a strange situation. With 32, they cannot form a government. With 29, they are willing to consider it. That's all right. They may play this game. But Lieutenant Governor, when original government is formed, he insists on letters. And now we are told, and you are news persons, you would tell me if I'm wrong, we are told that the Lieutenant Governor has written to the President of India to say that we should consider appointing a minority government without insisting on letters, without assuring himself that there is majority.
Here's the thing, Mr. Yadav.
In the face of the fact that two parties put together actually have majority,
now,
and they are saying we don't want to form government.
Now,
Isn't
Mr.
that
Yogendra
odd
Yadav,
and strange?
Mr. Yogendra Yadav, you're talking as for his news reports. News reports also say that he's considering a secret ballot and that he's well within his rights to exercise that right. Why should the Aam Aadmi Party have a problem if the secret ballot says a majority number are coming out and saying no, let the BJP form the government? Why should the Aam Aadmi Party have a problem there? Sabah Naqvi, what's your point of view here? Is the Aam Aadmi Party unnecessarily raking up the issue? I'm just going to bring in the other panelists, Mr. Yadav, and I'll come back to you. I'm going across to Sabah Naqvi and Mr. Rashmikant, and then we'll come back to you, Mr. Sinha.
Mr. Yadav said.
Yes, Mr. Aman Sinha, I'll come back to you. Sabah Naqvi, what's your point of view here? Why should the Aam Aadmi Party be worried if their MLAs are non-corruptible? Why should they be worried that the BJP is ready to pay whatever allegations they are making? Why should they make those allegations if they know their MLAs are not for sale?
You know, in this, the BJP has a simple majority government in Delhi. The BJP has a history of horse trading from Uttar Pradesh when Rajnath Singh formed a government. along with a speaker called Kesri Nath Tripathi. And it's not just the BJP, all parties have done that. So if Arvind Kejriwal goes out and says that we will record, I've told my MLAs to record it, it could even be a sort of warning to the BJP not to try and poach on their MLAs, which every party leader has a right to do.
Why does Arvind Kejriwal need to tell his MLAs that you say yes but you record? Why does Arvind Kejriwal, if the Aam Aadmi Party has got such strong integrity, why does he have to worry that his MLAs are for sale?
How do you prove? No, it's a warning also. How do you prove that they are the BJP is not approaching them? And there is a contradiction in the BJP's position from the ground that when they said they will never ever form the government, there is no question of it. We need a fresh mandate. The BJP's position has also changed. So has the Aam Aadmi parties. We are not saying that. So the BJP, to be on a moral high ground, to suggest all the cards are in the BJP's hands.
Right,
Right
Aman
now.
Sinha has a point to make there. Aman, we're just going to come to you in a bit.
Governors they have just posted. So,
Point taken, Sabha. I just want to bring in Rashmikant also, Mr. Kant.
Let's not forget that.
You've been an ally of our party the first time around. Are you going to support them this time also when it comes to these horse trading charges?
Well, there is absolutely no question of the Congress supporting the Aam Aadmi Party.
Not to form a government, but when it comes to the horse trading charges that they are making.
The Congress has made it absolutely clear in the last 3 months that the Congress wants the Congress wants elections. The Congress wants all the political parties and the government to go back to the electorate to get a fresh mandate so that the people of Delhi can have a legitimately elected government which has a majority. Unfortunately, the BJP and both the Aam Aadmi Party have been changing their stand, and please give me some time. On the 13th of December, Mr. Harshvardhan said very openly, he was the chief ministerial candidate of the BJP. He said that there is no question of the BJP forming the government because the mandate is not in their favor. The Congress supported, out of the 18 demands that the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress supported them on 16 of them, not on the Jan Lokpal and not on the full statehood issue. When the Aam Aadmi Party sought to bring the Jan Lokpal issue on the floor of the House without going through the constitutional process of taking an okay from the LG and
Mr. Kant, we have limited time, so you will have to get to the point quickly, sir.
The fact of the matter is, so the fact of the matter is that while BJP continued to deny that they will not form the government because they do not have a majority, and even today they are 5 short of a majority. On what basis can the BJP accept an invite, especially since they have not even written to the LG?
No,
Have they told the LG where they are going to get the 5 MLAs from?
Yes,
Even though there's a
now.
Bomai judgment says that ultimately the majority is
Rashmikant has
decided on the
labored for
floor
too
of the
long
House.
without
The fact of the matter
making any
is
point at all.
that they have given absolute.
Please allow me to respond now. Everybody has been taking charge against BJP. Please allow me to
and
respond.
makes them credible
Yes,
that
Aman Sinha,
BJP
go ahead.
is indulging in
First of all, Anand, let me point out that lot of illegal and
Mr. Kant, let Aman Sinha
unconstitutional things are
respond,
being
please.
stated
and
here.
the BJP is so confident.
Please don't carry on with your running commentary.
Please let
If you
Aman
don't
Sinha
have a
respond.
point to make, don't try to disturb me.
Yes, Aman Sinha,
If you have
go
nothing
ahead.
cogent to say.
Please have the civility. Please have
First
the
of all,
civility to listen
Anand,
to
first of all,
somebody
let me
else.
say clearly
Please have the civility
that-
to listen to somebody else.
Mr.
Right?
Kant,
Just
Mr.
because
Kant,
got
you've made your point.
283
I'm going to go across
I
to
have
Mr.
listened to
Aman
that
Sinha and then to
with
Mr.
great
Yogendra
patience.
Yadav. Please wait
Please
on.
allow me to respond to what you are saying.
Please
the
wait on,
fact
Mr.
of the
Kant.
matter is that the BJP is deadly scared
Anand.
of going to the elections.
Right, Mr.
because
Kant, you
they
made your
know they are
point.
going
Yes,
to
Aman
lose the
Sinha, go
Delhi
ahead, please.
elections. They do not want to take this chance.
That's all right.
And that is
Therefore,
why
we
they
won
are
7 seats and
Aman
therefore
Sinha,
our
let's
vote
get down to the
share
charges
got
made
increased by
or the
about
points raised.
13-14%. I don't even want to comment what Congress has been doing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Congress and AAP they have been accusing each other, abusing each other, then they go on to form a government. They have been,
Mr. Kant, we are not going to have a fair debate this way. You have to allow the other panelists also to speak, so please wait on. Please wait on. Yes, Aman Sinha.
Fact is, you spoke as long as you wanted to. Nobody stopped you.
No, Mr.
Anand, you know, this is
Mr.
how a
Kant,
debate
please
will
wait
carry
on.
They
Yes,
have
Aman
nothing
Sinha, go
cogent
ahead,
to
please.
say, and they are only hell bent on disturbing.
Yes, Aman Sinha, go ahead.
Lot of lot of unconstitutional and illegal things are being stated as if they are divine truths. Now let me point out that Supreme Court of India in a series of constitution bench judgments has held that this kind of wild presumption of some horse trading, some defection taking place, that cannot become a ground for dissolution of assembly. Secondly, the only place where numbers could be tested is floor of the house. It will not go by subjective assessment of what Mr. Yogendra Yadav or his party says, or what my friend from Congress party says. It is only the floor of the house where numbers could be tested. And therefore, if you want, I can read a small para also from Rameshwar Prasad, which clearly states that, and I'll read it out. This is para 136 of Rameshwar Prasad versus Union of India, and it also extracts para 391 of SR Bommai case judgment. It says that the Constitution does not create an obligation that political party forming the ministry should necessarily have a majority in the legislature. Minority governments are not unknown.
Yeah,
what is
Aman Sinha,
necessary is that a government should enjoy the confidence of the House.
Aman Sinha, here's
this
the question.
aspect does not appear to have been kept in mind by the governor.
Now, Aman Sinha, sorry to interrupt you there. Sorry to interrupt you there. The point is not about the cases or the legality. What Sabha Naqvi raised and what Yogendra Yadav said is about the change in position of the BJP. With 32 seats, that's what the Aam Aadmi Party says. When Dr. Harshvardhan said, we don't have the mandate of the people, we don't want to form the government. With a reduced number, why is the BJP showing the inclination now? That's the question asked. What's your rebuttal to that?
That's a valid question. But the point is that only goes on to reflect that we have no lust for power. Even when we were 32, we declined it. Today, if we get an invitation, we are not saying that we are hankering to form the government. If we get an invitation, we'll consider it.
So
we
why
can
don't you
consider and
decline it
reject it
now?
also. And we can consider and go ahead. However, now because of the fact that the larger
Mr. Kant,
public
just wait
interest
on.
is always foremost in
Mr.
our
Kant,
mind.
just wait on.
The Supreme Court of India also has time and again said that frequent elections are going to belie the faith of people in democracy.
Right. Now, the Congress is asking the BJP at this point, why aren't you denying it now?
You are not going to dictate what we will do. You take a view about your own actions. We will take a call when we receive an invite by the Lieutenant Governor. This is a premature question.
Right.
And this will not be decided in television studio. This has to be decided by the highest body of my political party, which is the parliamentary board.
There are more points to be made
Our
here.
party
There
does
are more
not
points to be
function like
made
Aam Aadmi
here. But
Party
let's
or
take a quick
Congress
breather.
party.
Everybody, let's take a quick breather. We'll
We are a
quickly take
responsible
a break
political
and come
party.
back.
Ladies and gentlemen,
point, please.
I know Rashmi Kant and Sabha Naqvi, both of you
Just
need to
one
have want to make a point.
Can
Mr.
I-
Yadav too. We'll come back. Please hold on to your thoughts. We're going to take a very short break and we'll pick it up on the other side. Please hold on. Welcome back, and we've been itching to get back into the debate. Sabha Naqvi, as we went into the break, you had to make a point. Rashmi Kant also had raised his hand, and so did Yogendra Yadav. But for you first. Yes, Sabha Naqvi.
First of all, let's look at the politics of it. The BJP spokesperson is giving us a legal position, but let's look at the politics. Why is the BJP, which has won such a huge mandate in the general election, why don't they just go for a fresh election in Delhi when that is what they said they wanted before the Lok Sabha victory? So what now? I mean, they've got this, they seem to have all the advantage. What is the problem? Because this question will always be raised. Because regardless of whatever the editorial opinion or anybody's opinion of the Aam Aadmi Party was, the fact is a very young party did very well very quickly in Delhi. And there were stories across the world about them. So why, there is a political question to be answered. Why is the BJP suddenly so willing to have a minority government? Why don't they just go
quick
and
answer
have
to that,
an
Aman
election
Sinha.
in Delhi?
Quick
That's
answer
my
to that,
question.
Aman Sinha.
That's the political, if you're politically confident.
The quick answer to that, Aman Sinha.
Oh, please allow me to answer, then only I'll answer.
Go ahead.
No, I do not know from what makes Mrs. Naqvi think that we are not going to have elections. We might as well have elections. Let the LG invite us for consultations.
Good.
We will formulate a structured view and we'll share it with him and with all our friends.
Fair enough. No.
Why are you jumping the gun? Let us not.
Enough.
Yes, therefore I am saying, Mrs.
No, I'm
Naqvi,
not jumping the gun.
Let us not, make premature
your leaders
judgments.
are saying.
All that we have said and, in spirit towards Supreme Court. No, please let me also point out. Yes, we are saying that we will consider it. We might form the government. We might go for elections. But what makes you think that we will only go and
No, but isn't that
go
a
on to form
change?
the government.
No, no, no.
You know, please don't
Is that not a-
impose your
is that
judgments
not
and
a change of
pass your
position?
opinions upon us. We are
Is
going
that
to
not-
consider.
I'm asking
No,
you
whatever
a simple
LG says, we are
question.
going to consider it.
You have changed
and
your position,
thereafter
have
our
you
party
not?
will take a structured
Am I
view
wrong in
and
saying,
we'll share it
am
with
I wrong
everybody.
in saying you've changed
and
your
you know,
opinion?
as far as elections are concerned,
Have you not changed
no,
your
please,
opinion?
please allow me to just finish.
Have you not
as far as
changed your
elections are
opinion?
concerned,
I repeat,
we are,
have you not
you know,
changed
we are,
your opinion? One simple question, have you
absolutely,
not
there is
changed
no
your
change of
position
opinion.
since,
Please let the
February?
LG invite us. And we
No, you haven't
formulate-
changed your position.
Then only
When-
you
which
say
was
whether we
no
have changed the opinion or not.
We will no chance of forming the government.
Not
That's
at all. In fact, BJP
You
is
have
the
changed
only
your
party
position. It's
which
on
has been
public
having a
record.
consistent stand.
But-
Aam Aadmi Party and Congress have been regularly changing their stands.
But-
Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, went to LG saying that please don't dissolve the
Forget
assembly.
about
when the
I'm
writ petition
asking
was
you
not
No,
only
but,
about
but
your
Sabha Naqvi, here's the
position.
thing.
So therefore, I don't
Sabha
want to go
Naqvi,
into
here's
that.
the thing.
Your position.
Sabha Naqvi, here's the thing. A lot has changed between February and September. A lot has changed. So if situations have changed, a lot has changed
Exactly.
because even at that time, no party had a clear mandate. At that time, the Aam Aadmi Party, I remember, Arvind Kejriwal made a lot of promises and he went back on, he made a numerous flip-flops. He said that we will not form the government unless we have a clear majority, but they used
No,
the
no, but
Congress
the
support to try and
BJP
form the government at the center.
No, hang
so
on.
if they
But
can
the
change their
BJP
stances,
said-
if situations have changed, the conditions have changed, not all MLAs and
No,
not
no, fair
majority of the
enough.
parties
No,
want to
but-
push the state into another election. They want to see the possibility. The Lieutenant Governor is exploring at a possibility. So if everybody can change stances, why question only the BJP is one point or part of the argument. But let's see what the Congress has to say. Yes, yes, Mr. Kant.
I'm not. I'm questioning everyone. I'm just saying BJP shouldn't be on a moral high ground on
because
this.
I think there's some
BJP should remember
interjection.
this.
Agree with you there, Ms. Naqvi. I agree with you there, Ms. Naqvi, that nobody can be take a moral high ground on this, be it the Aam Aadmi Party, Congress or the BJP. But the questions to each of them are at different positions and at varying levels and at varying aspects. Yes, Mr. Kant, go ahead.
Can I, sir, now answer your question? Yeah, okay. Since the last person you mentioned was the Lieutenant Governor, I think it's very pertinent to go into the role of the Lieutenant Governor. For the last 5 months, the Lieutenant Governor has said that he has not asked for elections. He has not dissolved the assembly because he is exploring all options to see whether a government can be formed or not. This was till 5-6 days ago. On the 5th of August, the Supreme Court gave 5 weeks to the central government to come back to the Lieutenant Governor to come back with a plan to hold the elections or how to form an elected government in Delhi. The Lieutenant Governor immediately writes the very
Well, I'm
same
sorry
day
to
to the
say,
President of India.
please do not
the
put
President of India,
words
the very
in the,
same
you
day
know,
forwards
in the
it to
mouth of
Home
Supreme Court of
Ministry.
India and don't mislead the
Ministry of
country.
Home,
This is
within
never what
2
Supreme
days
Court
Mr. Kant,
said.
hold on.
gives
Mr. Kant,
a
hold on.
reply
No,
to
I've
the
been
President
arguing
of
for
India.
There is a direct
this
rebuttal
matter,
from Aman
and let
Sinha
me say that
over
what
what you're
I say.
observing and what you're
The
noting.
Lieutenant Governor of India.
No, this is a
Please,
very-
you've quoted a Supreme
This
Court
is a very-
ruling and an
this is a very
observation.
serious
So Aman
question
Sinha
that is
has a direct
How can
rebuttal
you
to
say
that.
something which
Yes,
Supreme
Aman
Please
Court
do
Sinha.
not
said?
intervene, Mr. Aman Sinha. You have a terrible habit of intervening.
No, Mr. Kant, we'll come back to you, but he is
No, I'm not-
rebutting
I
you
have not
directly on the
heard what you
observations that
said.
you're quoting.
You please
Yes, Aman
try
Sinha.
and listen to somebody else.
1 minute,
Yes,
Mr.
Aman
Kant.
Sinha.
You've made a point. Let
Right.
Aman
Have you
Sinha
seen the
respond
order
to
of
it
5th
and we'll
August?
come
Serious
back to
debate
you.
going
Have you
on.
seen order of the 5th August? You cannot mislead the country and say something which Supreme Court has never
Within 2 days,
said.
the Lieutenant Governor finds out that the right party to call is the BJP. He has done all his research. For 5 months, he says that he is trying to work out a solution. Please do not intervene, Mr. Sinha.
So if there is a
Because
court
every
order
time
and if the
you
court
speak,
wants him to
otherwise
find a
you will be
solution,
Who do you think you
5
are?
months or
You
earlier
will
or
say
5 months or
people
later,
will
if
follow
he's
your
trying to
dictate.
work out a solution,
Who are
where
you
is the
to tell me
Lieutenant
what I
Governor
got
gone,
to do?
Mr.
Role of
Kant?
the Lieutenant
What-
Governor.
My party
No,
will
no.
take an
in
independent opinion.
conjunction with the
Who are you?
central government
You are just 8 MLAs.
needs to be brought in, and it needs to be thought through very
Today
carefully.
Congress party
Why
has got
the
zero
Lieutenant
credibility
Governor in the past
and you know
3
they are
months
going to
been
draw
playing
a big
partisan
zero
role?
if elections happen
Till
and you know
7
my
days
friends
ago,
are
he
shouting
was
from
saying-
rooftops
when
as if they have you know all the
he allowed
wisdom
the
of the world.
Congress to give outside support, give outside support to the Aam Aadmi Party in order to form a government at the center at Delhi. That time
This
he
is
was
what
not being
Congress has been
partisan.
doing.
At
They are
that time he was
disturbing
not
this
being
debate.
partisan, Mr.
They are
Kant.
disturbing the people
When
of
did you?
India.
Why didn't you
They
make
are
those
disturbing the
allegations then?
democratic processes to play out in Delhi.
Yes, Aman Sinha, you said that Mr.
So I will
Kant
give you
quoted
the
the
answer
Supreme
to
Court
that.
ruling wrongly.
I will give you the answer
What
to
is it?
that.
What is
I
it that you
will
would like to
give you
say?
the answer to that. provided Mr. Ahmad Sinha decides to keep some silence.
No, Mr.
No,
Kant,
I
please
think
wait.
we
I'm
cannot
going to go
hear your
across to
question
Mr.
right
Raman
now.
Sinha now.
Interruption.
Mr. Rashmikant,
Please
I'm going to allow Mr. Raman Sinha to speak
Or
now.
either you listen
Yes,
the
Mr.
audio
Raman
or
Sinha.
my friend from
Mr.
Congress
Kant,
party.
please wait on.
On the
Mr. Kant,
13th
please
of
wait
the-
on.
On the 13th,
Mr. Kant, please wait on. I'm not going to
on the
allow you to
13th
speak till
of
the time you allow
February-
the other
on the
panelists to
13th of
speak.
February
Mr. Kant,
2014,
please wait on.
The Aam Aadmi
Mr.
Party,
Rashmikant,
the Aam
please
Aadmi
wait
Party
on.
resigned.
Mr.
And within a
Rashmikant,
month
please
of that,
wait on.
The code of conduct came. Therefore, the Congress.
Mr.
could not do
Rashmikant,
anything about
please
it.
wait on.
Debate has got into.
Yes, Aman Sinha. You're making Aman Sinha, you're making a point
Please ask
about
your
the Supreme
question.
Court
I cannot
observation.
hear your question.
You are making a point about the Supreme Court observation, the directive
I
that
was
it issued
saying
to the
that what
Lieutenant
Mr.
Governor.
Rashmikant was what Mr. Rashmikant was saying with regard to Supreme Court order was never there. He was in fact misleading. Supreme Court has never
I
said
have
so.
not said a
Why
word
should he
about the
speak in
Supreme
those
Court order.
terms? I am surprised.
I have not.
And I
What
was
did the
only
Supreme
pointing
Court
out to
observe?
that.
Supreme Court order, Mr. Sinha.
We
I
heard
have
what you
not
said,
said a
Mr.
word about
Rashmikant. I don't think the Congress and the BJP are indulging in the fair aspect of this debate or because this is going somewhere else. And I'm going to bring in Mr. Yogendra Yadav into this. Mr. Yadav, the question to the Aam Aadmi Party again is, how can you point
That's
fingers
what
at the
Mr. Sinha
BJP
is
for
saying.
changing
Either
position?
you don't have a television in front of you.
Mr. Yogendra Yadav, how can you accuse the BJP of changing
Yes.
position when the Aam Aadmi Party itself changed positions moments the results were out? Why didn't the Aam Aadmi Party say we don't want to try and form the government at the centre because we don't have a clear mandate? In fact, we are the second largest party. Why is it pushing for elections now? Why did it
You
go
don't
to the
remember.
Lieutenant Governor soon after the May 16 election saying that we are trying to work out an option, give us some time?
Can I respond now?
Yes,
it's
Mr.
very
Yadav.
good to discover that finally the program is being controlled by anchors and not by parties. The simple matter is, we never at any point when we formed the government, you may have forgotten, in fact, that what you said was exactly our first reaction. On day one, we said we are not even number one party. This is not for us to do it. BJP said they can't form it. After that, we went and formed the government. At no point, and I repeat, let anyone contradict me, that we ever claimed that we should have a chance to form the government without there being proof of majority. This is what BJP appears to be wanting. They have not formally demanded it, I agree. I was quite touched to hear Mr. Sinha that they are not in lust for power. I absolutely agree. Of course they are in no lust for power. They would wait for the Lieutenant Governor to invite them. It so happens that Lieutenant Governor's office is controlled by Home Ministry. It so happens that Home Ministry is controlled by Mr. Rajnath
now
Singh. It
the
so
Lieutenant-
happens that he's from BJP.
Mr.
Of course
Yogendra
BJP is
Yadav,
not
so
in any
what you
lust
are
for power.
essentially saying is that if BJP does come with those numbers, with the written proof, and the largest, the
if
party
I
with the
can
largest
respond to what
mandate
Mr.
does
Yadav
want to
said.
try and form a government, you are all right with that as long as they have the proof for the numbers?
There is a clear constitutional convention. If they follow the convention laid down by K.R. Narayanan, which has been accepted as the gold standard, which is that the president or the governor asks for letters of support, and if the letters of support are 34 and more in the current house,
Correct.
what objection can we possibly have?
Mr. Yadav?
Let him ask for those things. I mean, we can't
Mr.
possibly
Yogendra Yadav?
object to that. This is a simple shut,
Open and shut case, you're saying. Yeah, but Mr. Yadav, my question to you is two-pronged.
Yes, and the
Based
simple
on what
facts
you're
are the
saying,
following.
I hope you realize the weight of what you're saying, because
Anand,
if you're
if I
saying
can
that the
respond to
Lieutenant
what
Governor
Mr.
is
Yadav
being
said.
partisan right now by inviting the BJP, are you also trying to say that he was partisan back then because the government in power at that time was the UPA government, and that is why he encouraged or allowed the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party to have form the government at the centre with the Congress, especially when it was the second largest party, and the right thing to do, perhaps, like the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging now, was to call for elections again? Is that the allegation you're making? Then you also stand equally guilty, don't you? So at that point in time, when perhaps
not
in a similar
making
situation,
any
because the government at that time was a UPA 2
Why don't you
government.
shoot all your questions at once?
No, because that's the question, Mr. Yadav. Because you cannot selectively decide when the Lieutenant Governor is partisan and when he is not.
If you can allow me to respond to what Mr. Yadav said.
I have not. If I can respond to the question that has been posed to me.
Yes,
I
Mr.
mean, you
Yadav.
happen to control the central government, but I hope not the studios.
No, yes, Mr. Yadav.
at that point, the Lieutenant Governor had asked for letters of support when he got 36 letters, after which he allowed us to form the government. The only thing about which we are wondering at the moment is why is it that the Lieutenant Governor is not insisting on that now?
So he,
in the face
what is
of
wrong if the
constitutional
what is
precedents
wrong?
and so on,
Isn't the Lieutenant Governor well within his rights to call for a secret ballot and then see if he gets the requisite number of support, irrespective of who's supporting the government led by a minority government led by the BJP? Isn't he well within his rights to allow that? Why should the Aam Aadmi Party not allow that?
Allow me to point out that this whole thing about Section 9 is a complete red herring. I hope you have read Section 9.
Yes.
It says nothing about secret ballot. It doesn't say anything about ballot. It doesn't say anything about vote of confidence. It simply says that the Lieutenant Governor has the right, like the President of India, has the right to send a message to the Assembly.
Correct.
I'm astonished that all of you are reading all
Correct.
these
So
things
if he
based
gets a
on
message,
one
if he
judgment
gets
of
from
the
the
Supreme Court
no,
in
but
one
Mr.
very
Yadav,
peculiar case.
No, but Mr. Yadav, if the Lieutenant Governor gets a majority number of people from the Assembly, members of the Assembly, that they are willing to work under a government that is led by a minority party like the BJP, party in minority, is he wrong in calling the BJP to form the government? Because then he is well assured, given the number of assurances that have come to him, that the BJP will pass the floor test, irrespective of where the support comes from.
Established is very simple, which is what BJP had demanded, which is what all political parties have demanded in this country, which is that the letters should be given before the party is invited to form a government. This is what he did in our case. This is what we demand in this case. This is what I would
what
demand
makes you
in
think he won't
every
do it?
single
He won't do it.
This is the gold standard of convention.
What makes you and your entire party so sure, sir, that that's not the way the governor is going to go? Why are you so confident that he is actually going to choose another way?
I'm not confident. I'm only worried and I'm intrigued by the fact that the Lieutenant Governor has written a letter to the President asking for permission, acceptance of the fact that a minority government, a party which is the single largest, may be invited, although it is not in minority. No. That's what all of you have reported. If this report is mistaken, please tell me.
But if he's
Otherwise,
considering and if he's looking at the option
about this.
No, Mr. Yadav, if he is looking at the option,
please allow me to respond.
Yes, Aman Sinha, coming to you. If he is looking at the option and if he gets the president's go ahead, what is wrong or what makes you think that he will not follow due process after he gets the go ahead, saying explore the possibility and he will do it the right way? What makes you think that it won't happen? Is it right for the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs to come out there and say this is murder of democracy and rape of democracy and say it out like that? Before the LG has even made a step towards an official step or process? Is it right for the Aam Aadmi Party to say speak like that out in public and mislead the people?
I can see you have very strong opinions about my party. You are entitled to those opinions. But we are truly intrigued because the Lieutenant Governor needs no one's permission.
With all due respect,
to invite BJP people. Just let me just say
questions
something.
Is very right, Mr. Yadav.
Please listen to me.
I will, Mr. Yadav. The way you are putting out the points is highly respected. Is highly respected. But the way some of the other members of the Aam Aadmi Party are speaking in public is not worthy of the stature of and the respect that they owe to the Lieutenant Governor of the state.
Can you listen to me?
Yes, Mr. Yadav.
You did not allow me even a sentence. Your questions are longer than my answers.
Go ahead, Mr. Yadav.
We are intrigued that the Lieutenant Governor should ask the President of India for something for which he doesn't need a permission, because if he wanted to simply invite BJP people to say, do you have 34 letters? He doesn't need to go to the President of India. Why has he gone there? And if this is what he wanted to explore, namely single largest party, he could have done it on 16th of February. He could have done it on 20th of June. Why has it taken 7 months to do
Why can't he do it now, Mr. Yadav?
Simple as that.
Why can't he do it now? And he is well within his rights to take his time and to take his considerations. And if he can take if he goes to the president to take his opinion, why should you say that he's wrong? And yeah, you can question the Lieutenant Governor. You can ask him why is he doing this, but you cannot say that it's a murder and rape of democracy. democracy. That's the humble submission that I would like to make here. Because that is also misleading the
Because
people.
the only
Anand, now
way
if
in
I
which
can just
this can
respond.
be formed
Yeah.
is through horse trading. This is an invitation to
No,
horse
there is
trading.
no
and
proof,
horse
sir.
trading
There is no
against
proof, sir.
fundamental
You have to
monologue
prove it.
between
You have to
Mr.
prove
Yadav
it
and
before
you.
you make claims like that, and that applies to all parties. You have to prove a claim like this before
And
you
when
go
we
ahead and
want
tell
to
in public
prove
that
it, your
a certain
channel
person is
says,
doing, because
this
you're
is a
defaming a
stunt.
person without even proof. How can you go out and say that somebody is offering somebody 20 crores to come over?
And when we want to gather proof, you say it's a stunt. So what do you want us to do?
No.
You tell us.
The way it was done, the way some things are done, it looks like
Didn't I
what is
hear the
stunt and
word
what is not,
stunt and
Mr.
so on at the
and
beginning
it's,
of this
it's
program?
opinion. We are asking the question: is it a stunt? Is it a trick? Is it a
Anand,
stunt?
can I
Is it
come
a
in
trick?
now?
That's the question. If it is not, then prove it otherwise. Yes, Mr.
Okay,
Raman
I
Sinha,
wanna-
final word. We've got to wind
Anand,
up.
can
We're
I
way
say
over time.
something? Anand?
Sabha Lakshmi, one
Anand,
sec.
Can I?
No, you know,
Anand,
I
let me
recall
say one
clearly
thing. Was it-
when
no,
the Aam
one
Aadmi
thing,
Party
was it a
government was
stunt?
formed,
Was
it
it
was
a
Mr.
stunt?
Yogendra Yadav who was championing the cause of minority government. And time and again he came out and said that we have formed a minority government. We have not taken support of Congress party. This is not a coalition. We are
Right.
forming a minority government. And today he is going totally contrary to his own stated statement and saying something which is absolutely, self-contradictory.
This you have to
Alright,
allow me to
alright.
respond because he's naming
when
me.
LG invites the second largest party to form the government, they say that LG is the biggest protector of the constitution and all that.
Right.
When LG is considering, if at all LG is considering invitation to the single largest party, you term it as murder and rape of the constitution.
All right, point
Right.
taken
I mean,
there.
no,
I'm
I'm
completely
not saying
sorry,
Mr. Yadav,
Sabha
but those who
and
make-
Mr.
I
Kant, that
have
we
to
could not
respond
come to
to
you,
this one
gentlemen
because
and
he
ladies,
has
completely
named
out of
me.
time on this show. There were a few questions that we were asking whether this is a stunt that is being played out by the Aam Aadmi Party, whether they should actually be general elections, and why isn't BJP really responding to that? But we really don't have the time to continue this debate. Appreciate all of you joining us for this debate. Thank you so much.